go to the Sign In section. Click on Get Started to create a new account. Enter your full name, email address, and password according to the required fields. After reading the terms of service, check the agreement box and click Create Account. At this stage, a verification email will be sent to you. Once you confirm the link in that email, your account will be verified. You can then log in using your verified email and password to access the welcome page. Please note that the email verification link is valid for 1 hour only. On the welcome page, you will see 4 available levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced, and professional. Choose the level that honestly matches your trading experience and knowledge. Each level has its own specific rules, which you can review in the Help Center before making your selection. After selecting your level, you'll be taken to the How Did You Hear About Us page. Once you select an option and click Continue, you can start your trading journey and enjoy the experience with TradeManners. If you ever forget your password, go to the Sign In page and click on Forgot Password. A reset link will be sent to your verified email and will remain active for 1 hour. Follow the link to create a new password and regain access to your account. To enable 2-step verification and email login, go to your profile, open the Security tab, and follow these steps. 1. Click the Enable Authenticator app button. A window will appear with 3 sections. Section 1. You'll see download links for the Authenticator app, one for Google Play and one for the App Store. Click on the link that matches your device to install the app. Section 2. To connect your app, you can either scan the QR code shown on the screen or manually enter the activation code displayed below it into your Authenticator app. Section 3. Once the app is connected, it will generate a 30-second verification code. Enter that code into the input field on the page. After entering the correct code, the Verify and Enable button becomes active. Click it to complete the activation of your 2-factor authentication. After enabling the Authenticator app, another window will appear showing 8 recovery codes. These codes can be used to access your account if you ever lose access to your phone or the Authenticator app. It's very important to store these codes safely and never share them with anyone. If you ever need to use a recovery code, make sure to regenerate new recovery codes before using the 8th one. Failing to do so will permanently block access to your account, unless you have also enabled login via email. To regenerate your recovery codes, click the Regenerate button. Then enter your account password and the current Authenticator code in the respective fields. Once the Regenerate Codes button becomes active, click it to generate 8 new recovery codes, and make sure to store them securely as well. 2. To enable login via email, click the Enable button next to the email login option. A new window will appear asking for your account password. After entering it, click Send Verification Code. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Enter that code into the field provided and click Verify and Enable. This will activate email-based login for your account. From now on, when signing in, if any of these verification options are enabled, you can simply select your preferred method, either the Authenticator app or email verification. Enter the corresponding code and securely log into your account. And that's how you create and secure your TradeManners account, from signing up to enabling 2-step verification. Your profile is now ready to begin your trading journey with confidence and safety. Thanks for watching, and remember, trading has manners and manners make traders.